My granny used to have one lady where used to talk the song them. Should I say? I went to church this Sunday. And the pastor said, come on, I'm going to pray for you. And he said, I want you to jump up and say Jesus 3 times. I jumped up Jesus the first time. But when I jumped up the 3rd time, something got a hold of me. And he looked and he said, girl, I don't think she's playing this time. I remember mama. And a happy, I remember mama. Welcome to the Daleelliottjr podcast. I am your host, Daleelliottjr, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
Sing.
Cut it off. You know what we're going to sing to? Subscribe to me, please.
Sing.
Like, share, comment. Like up a place. Send it all over the place.
Yeah, man. Tap up a screen, my side. Tap up a screen.
All right. So we're getting right tonight. You know?
Yeah.
So in this episode, we're going to speak about the things we still do today in comparison to what we did there at Jamaica. I feel like there's some things me still do.
Like things that you like hold on to as a Jamaican?
Yeah. Like me can for some reason, me I go always do it like that.
Like what? Like what? What you feel like is that thing where?
All right. I would have say cook. How me cook?
Yeah.
Me hold on to it.
Yeah.
Because now, you wash chicken, right?
Yeah. Wash chicken, wash rice.
What? All right.
Yeah.
That's not common all the time.
I realize especially with America, it's like a debate as to whether or not you have to wash your rice and whether or not you have to wash your chicken.
Hey, people, me know if you wash the chicken and the rice, you know, because I don't care what scientific method when me hear them people I talk about, but wash chicken and wash rice. Come hear them say if you wash the rice, you wash off the nutrients half of the rice. You know?
So some people say wash off the nutrients. Some people say wash off the starch.
Yeah.
But I don't understand how wash off the starch if
the starch supposed to eat the rice.
The rice itself is a starch.
So what them say? so you listen to starch.
Listen to starch. So what the point of the rice if a less starch? I don't really know what it's supposed to do still. A part of me just still kind of have the mind frame that there's a big bag of rice in some like dusty factory.
just put on for long.
You see me?
It just, how long that bag they just did it?
Me don't know, so me just go wash the rice. You see me?
And then me don't feel like them a deal with the rice with gloves either. Like, all me I envision is, you ever watch them like video there with them Indian man there?
Bro, that's exactly what I envisioned just now. I was like, you look if them have had shoes.
Where you look, you know them foot them are using at the rice. The man them probably a walk by the rice and use them two rice and fly through them two.
I see a video, the man them, and I feel like them video I give the Indian people them a very bad reputation. I see a video, the man them make the waffle cone them for like ice cream.
Yeah.
Brother, a beer right by them big toe in the dog. Right by them big toe. Them. Yeah, man. Gone. 10 of them. Easy. I said, dang.
What me can't get is the speed of them head when them do them thing. Yeah.
What is Indian people?
Hey, monsieur. Before you move, just like, share, comment, subscribe. Raise up your views them, man.
What, please, explain to me what that.
But be real.
It have a vibe, you know.
It's kind of comfortable still.
It have a vibe. But I notice that them use it sometimes when they're like, maybe like when they're nervous about things.
Yeah.
Like, hey man, just, let me.
Let me talk to you right now, any.
Indian people, no.
No, baby, brother, I love Indian food, you know.
Same.
That me not tap, you know.
Same.
Me not tap.
Chicken biryani for the win.
Brother, listen to chicken teriyaki for the win.
You see me?
But, brother, there was this Indian man, when we just come to LA, there was this Indian man in North Hollywood. When I always buy him food.
Yeah.
And this man don't like me.
Just though.
I know this man don't like me.
Why?
I've
Why?
never seen a man that is not happy to take my money.
Well, just always like a fight for buy the food.
You see me every day. You see me every day. I order the same thing every day. And this man just never yet look like him happy to see me. Every time I walk in, what do you want? I said, yo, brother,
So dog,
you know what I want?
means I'm a regular customer.
Bro,
Why are we doing
I
this?
want a teriyaki bowl. Just don't treat me like, don't make me feel like me I beg you for spend my money. Every day,
Yeah, that's how we always treat it.
every time, I know that, brother, one time, it's like the man stop make when me you are specifically. Me feel like a lie tell.
No, we don't
Bro,
that today.
How do you not have teriyaki bowl? Every time I walk in, brother, for about maybe 2 weeks. Every time I walk in at this man shop or not Hollywood, man I tell me say him not a teriyaki bowl.
Man say, yeah, you I don't like your kind. Just stop.
I know that.
Stop make teriyaki.
Bro,
just cause
I know that. Me I walk out one day and me they get introduced to it by my white friend, Adam. Adam say, bro, is it just me? He's kind of mean, bro. He's never happy to see me, or I'm trying to make conversation.
he didn't open this restaurant because
brother,
the
him
love
not
of the
like
food.
nobody.
You see me? This is but they have to make money and don't want to buy food. Me not like it.
Him not like nobody.
Yo, the dog serious man. You know,
Exactly.
sometimes, it's just a means to an end. You know?
Watch out. Let me show you where things with me do, we're Jamaican,
Yeah.
what me still have to do today. I mean, I gotta see if you do it too. When you make stew chicken or curry chicken, do you put the seasoning and everything in the pot one time? Or you put the seasoning first?
When
we say the seasoning, I talk about the
like the onion
and the scallop. Do you put it in first or you put them in one time?
So I do a combination, right? I have like
You double them up.
we double it up. So I have seasoning where already in the chicken and and then I'll have like an extra garlic and like a one scotch bonnet, an extra piece of onion where that got in the aisle for when me I brown the chicken first, and then when I feel like I brown the chicken enough, then I dump everything.
Cause there's many ways to cook stew chicken, you know.
Yeah.
Somebody, me look past somebody with a piece of scan one time, you know, and
Stew chicken will ruin friendships.
let me explain something to you. I was cooking stew chicken once, and somebody looked to me and say, "So yeah, why do you put onion, scallion, and thyme in the pot? It's already in the seasoning. It says it on the all-purpose seasoning. It says it's blend."
Me no want hear that. Me no want hear that. Me no want hear that.
No, me not like you, you know. Me not eat from you, you know.
Cause what you talking about?
Wait, what you mean? Although it's an all-purpose seasoning and it's blend, you have to still put onion, scallion, thyme. Me have to do that.
If it not in there, it's like, yeah, cheat the system. I feel like you're not really.
It might not change the taste of the food, you know.
It might not, you know.
I don't care, though. I don't care.
All right, to me, the look of the food important too.
How it look when it a cook?
I have to see the onion them for know, like the onion and the tomato and them thing there. For me, really accept it as like authentic Jamaican brown stew.
But you know what's funny? Me, anytime I cook, sweet pepper, all them things that disappear.
It disappear, but
you know, they there. So that them a try said to me, and they make me that think. I mean, I say, hey, you know what? Go for yourself, you know. Go for yourself, because if you feel like me, I go listen to you, and you feel like yeah, go make sense to me. Me know why you make sense either, because me no care how your garlic look. If me no broke a head of garlic with the bottom of one cork,
get an old jar or something
and knock a head of garlic and the smell. If me not cut the onion and me no cry,
then
the stew chicken not good.
Yeah, you know, real. That a illusion of stew chicken. You don't feel like a real. Me see, when my youth there were Anthony Bourdain, and him say it. Him say, yo, if you are not willing to peel and mash garlic, you don't deserve garlic. And that's one of the things that like I agree with. Like with certain foods is like, yo, if you're not going to prepare it the right way, I don't know. I feel like...
Yo, are we thinking about this though? Can I look at this?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Got onion powder, onion.
Onion powder is onion.
Yeah.
And a garlic powder is garlic.
Yeah. But the difference...
And all-purpose seasoning
has all of those things
has
in
all
it.
of what we want mixed in one. But then, this is why we have high blood pressure.
Yeah.
Because we have put onion, garlic powder, and then we are
usually have
seasoning
salt
them.
in there.
Yeah, because when we are cooking up, we use onion powder, garlic powder.
Yeah.
First of all, this is the formula.
The trifecta. You use this for everything.
In Jamaica,
Yeah.
every dish contains these items. Onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning.
Yep. Sometimes I went chicken not in there.
All if chicken not in it, we are going to use chicken seasoning.
Yeah, man.
Because I put chicken seasoning in all fish more while too.
Yep.
And
same.
then put fish seasoning on it too.
Yeah. Yeah. Because you have to use all like Jamaican, you make all stew fish or brown stew fish or whatever.
We have to put chicken in it.
You have to put chicken in there, but you also have to use like one of the soup pack them.
And we have to crack out, the little cube Maggi.
Yeah, man, that have to in there.
It disappear.
Yeah, man, that you have to.
Me used to put on a ramen too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That kick it up a notch, you know.
Me used to put like 2 of them. 2 one side and then 2 the other side.
How much ramen you make?
I must make 3 pack of ramen at that time.
Right, okay, yes. Come on, what I said. 2 of them at the salty bridge.
So, yeah, but there's a science to cooking, where if all of that in your food,
all right. If you got a better, not a better, but like
allspice throw me off a foreign. Yo, when me come here, dog. Yo, let me tell you this. I see when me come here. When I come to foreign.
No pimento. You don't sell pimento.
What you mean no pimento here? Me want some pimento seed, Virgin. I tell me about no allspice.
Allspice, what name allspice?
Allspice.
Why you would I call it allspice?
Virgin spicing. Yes, that's what me like it. That's not food, Virgin.
That's not pimento.
That's not pimento.
You see me? Why, all right. Why we never call all-purpose seasoning allspice? Why you not call the pimento allspice?
Bro, I feel like you just create something. We got to clip that.
Why is allspice? Why is not all-purpose called allspice, and we call pimento something else? Call it Jamaican black pepper or something. I don't know.
Exactly. Too much pimento. Yo, you want to mash up a food? Make too much pimento get in it.
Brother.
Yo, you see when you shake out little pimento them, make 4 extra pimento get in it.
Bro, if you...
A different food.
You eat a rice and peas and bite in a 3 pimento and tell me you're not dash where you say food.
And tell me say you gotta say that person are the worst person.
Now you find all of the pimento them for me.
Brother.
this not fair.
You know, I have to do it.
But you know what? I feel in a certain things too. You can't make the curry without the ginger.
You see if the ginger in the curry?
And you have to, it have a mystical in there too, because you have to bite piece of the ginger. That's part of the ritual.
You have to get piece of the ginger and you have to think of meat. It have to in your plate.
Yeah.
It have to decorate up and everything. Me get a plate of ginger already. Virgin, me get a plate of ginger, me get some curry ginger and white rice already, me vex with that. Me I say, yo, so you tell me say, you never see this.
Just
curry ginger white rice.
Why? All right. Here is my question with it. Why ginger play a good chicken piece so good? Like why every time me see piece of ginger
me
in
bite
the curry,
it same way.
You will stab the ginger and feel say a ginger
and bite it for make sure.
Bite it.
For make sure say a ginger.
Don't make
brother, me tell you, me get a plate of curry ginger.
Yeah, man. But the worst one me get was me take a bite and it was a combination of ginger and pimento. Upsetting.
Yeah, that pinja.
Yeah, man, a pinja. God. Yeah. Yeah, man, terrible.
Brother. And that's what I say. There's some things at Jamaica what me still do today because at the end of the day, I don't know what a pomegranate is. Me don't care to explain.
It's a panganat.
Myself, it's a panganat. And I don't care what you say or how you say it, it's a panganat. Okay? I don't want any squash.
Pumpkin.
Give me a pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin.
What you
like,
saying to me?
You going to tell me say you look pan this.
And call it squash?
And call it a squash? Dog, this is not 6, bro.
No.
Like, what you mean?
No, brother, me I look some soup or the and the man tell me about, bro, this is Mrs. Squash long, brother, the thing look like. So what you mean? This is not pumpkin, virgin?
This is not pumpkin. This look more like watermelon or something.
You know the Jamaican play? Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin, I really.
Pumpkin, this is the pumpkin. Me, I do this to pumpkin. No.
Like,
a period name.
Yo, I was so glad when I went to the Whole Foods by me and see them sell chicken back, bro.
You find chicken back afar?
Chicken back in Whole Foods.
They know it's a chicken back gourmet now. You know?
Gourmet, dog. Man, I shouldn't even talk about it on that thing.
You don't want nobody to find out.
I don't want to find out, bro. Crazy, car. Me and they ask for leg quarters and thing, and they're like, quarters? What do you mean? Leg quarter? You don't have the leg? Oh, whole legs. My bad. Yeah, let me get whole legs.
Even
whole
legs? Brother, even how me used to ask for like buy food at Jamaica different. Can we say when me get a mixed parts? Buy phone and mixed parts.
Them not have mixed parts again. You have to get a picnic pack.
Them call it picnic.
You have to get a picnic pack.
What kind of picnic? Give me some mixed
Why
parts,
is that a picnic pack?
Mix up the parts, them.
Who having... Ooh, all right.
You know what them call party? Party
the
mix.
Party pack.
Party pack.
Yep. Mm-hmm. The party... I think wings... I think the wings situation is probably the most diabolical situation.
Bro, them I make them wings there, you know. Them I make them wings outside like chicken, you know. Because so much wings, brother, come on. Let's be real.
You can't tell me say all them chicken there.
So all them chicken there.
Just now in the hand.
Right. Because you go cut off, brother, a baby chicken. Wings are baby chicken.
I mean, technically.
I must baby chicken. Brother, think about this. Wings, small, so you know that.
Yeah.
That baby little chicken like that, you know.
Some little tiny.
A baby little chicklet, you know.
Yeah. The chicken them didn't even get for really reach nowhere before them start chop off your hand.
You realize you never yet hear them animal people advocate for chicken, you know. A
They
whole
do-
heap of chicken dead a year time, you know.
They do sometimes, but
Me not think no animal, me not think no. But I feel like are the worst animal for be.
a chicken, absolutely.
Because you know it's up.
I think you know which animal terrible that them don't talk about being in America? You say rabbit. Enough of them and them rabbit and they're quiet, you know.
Yeah, but
And rabbit quick for farm, you know.
but at least under quiet.
Yeah, true. Chicken, yeah man, chicken
Brother.
get mash up.
Brother, when you're behind that chicken, you can't even celebrate, you know. You know your fate, you know, brother.
Like none of them live.
Brother, me didn't have, me didn't know a
Come
man
and take
named,
the egg them
me
too.
didn't know a man named chicken, you know.
Yeah.
Him dead.
All if you name chicken, you know, make it.
If you name chicken, you can't make that life. Bro, what? That's the worst thing to be, you know.
Yeah, chicken getting slaughter immediately.
Every brother.
Nobody not feel sorry about
At
chicken.
least a cow sacred to some people. Cow can be bull. People.
True.
Cow sacred.
True. They get revered in certain
Exactly.
way. Yeah.
Pig. Some people say, yo, we don't want to eat pig.
Yeah.
Scavenger the earth.
Pig is unclean.
You know?
Yeah, we nah.
Fish, we can't go catch all of them.
Yeah.
Them far.
Certain of and some of them unclean too.
Exactly.
So there's still a
I know that too. Some people are allergic to seafood.
yeah. True.
Brother,
Chicken?
No spear of chicken, you know.
Chicken is your personal.
Comments. Now, make me know if you understand. Brother, nothing out there now spear chicken, you know.
Not at all,
I vegan them out here try save chicken, you know.
bro. You know what's so crazy? Them we try save chicken, but bro, you see all egg.
Egg nah go no way, because vegetarian I eat egg.
All right.
Brother, somebody tell us that chicken can't escape nothing.
Nothing. All before you're born.
Brother, chicken born for persecute. Brother, the way I know, brother, the way I know that chicken can't escape nothing, brother. It's ordained. Me never see chicken in the Bible ever.
Nothing.
You ever see nothing about chicken in the Bible?
The chicken never.
Brother,
the chicken is never saving the day.
Brother, the Bible talk about shellfish. Bible talk about
cow. Lamb.
Bible talk about pig. The Bible talk about lamb. Somebody find me a scripture in the Bible where I said something about chicken.
Something about the save the chicken and the chicken. No, the chicken always safe for my shop, man.
Brother, Noah Ark.
Not now defend the chicken.
Now
wonder defend the chicken.
Now wonder if Noah did I eat chicken from the ark because they never even mentioned carry chicken.
Noah probably bring about. I mean, you know, him probably bring couple chicken for the repopulation and for the.
I don't
food.
want to be wrong in about. Is there any chicken verses in the Bible?
No man, chicken was always good.
No, man. You ever see the word chicken in the Bible? Or poultry?
No.
I've never.
But I think.
No, me have to go Google this.
Weird enough. Here what?
What they used to call chicken back in them days?
Cause that me both say no. Cause was it even called a chicken them time there? Cause them, all right. There is this, you know, the legendary, what came first, the chicken or the egg?
Mm-hmm.
But technically,
chickens are mentioned in the New Testament and are likely referenced in Jesus' lament over However, there are no clear references to chicken in the Old Testament. So chicken never exists.
Chicken don't exist in the Bible.
In the Old Testament, all right. All right, so Sabbath people eat chicken?
That's a very good question.
Yeah?
They do? You can't eat chicken on Sabbath? Okay.
And Sabbath people are really... Sabbath people read New Testament, right?
Yeah.
King James Version. Yeah. All right. Chicken, in a fear.
Yeah, chicken, why?
Is there anywhere in the world where don't grow chicken?
Not unless you...
I've never, brother, we never hear why chicken never yet go extinct or nothing like that. I will eat some more chicken.
God, we farm them like...
We make sure.
Yeah, man, we make sure that we're... I think we discovered that chicken was so good.
Chicken is going to be the main
meal.
That
we made sure that we would never, ever, ever run out of chicken.
We can't run out of chicken.
Ever. No, not at all. Like, the farms them full of chicken. And then, you know, the man them just say, yo, all right, we'll open chicken, we could save some of them egg, yeah?
Brother, chicken didn't even come off as an animal to me.
No, food.
Chicken are just straight food. Me eat.
You know, all right. You ever see a wild chicken?
Chicken not get...
Chicken belongs... Every chicken you say belongs to somebody.
Brother, I hear rooster, you know?
And that rooster, that smarty rooster.
And a smarty one.
Them chicken, they don't exist in the wild.
Chicken are run wild.
No, not at all. Not at all. Any wild chicken I get.
But the thing is, a chicken is a bird.
Yeah. So it was a...
I saw your salt. Every bird can fly unless you can.
It was a particular bird that we found.
And we just tried that one, yeah?
And we tried that one, yeah?
And then run.
Domesticate it. And then because technically we make chicken, you know, just like how we make the dog them.
Mm-hmm.
Because, you know, it's a particular kind of chicken that we just start breed over and over and over again. And no, a chicken that.
Mm-mm.
I'm sure it used to be like some kind of yard fowl or some kind of, you know.
Speaking of things where Jamaica we still do today,
yeah.
I don't care how you feel. Okay, love your animals. It's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
It's not coming in my bed. Okay?
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's not. Your dog cannot lick my face.
I've gotten friendly with animals, but the bed thing, you know.
It's not coming in my bed. And if you're invited to my house.
If you bring your dog
unannounced. If you don't make me know, say a dog will come on my yard, you will never come back to my house again.
So
if you make your dog go in on my couch.
No.
If you clean up the dog, if me see, if me look, and me nose goes up, and me turn around and see no farmer poop to the hoop.
Problem.
You gotta go.
Problem. problem.
No, me love dog.
So here's my issue.
Outside.
Here's my issue. You see, if I go forward, I'm a yard with a dog. At the very least, have the common courtesy feet for be like a little well-behaved dog.
Like a nice dog.
Like a little nice dog. Bring a little, a little something where, bro, don't bring no big king Corso where I got slabber all over
and then
the
I tell
place.
me about him friendly, don't
him
move.
friendly, yeah, man, him good. And when him come, a beer drool all over your things and your pants. So it's like, oh, yeah, man, he's a real sweetheart, man. It's like, dog, I forgot to change my clothes now. This dog just slabber over everything.
You know what I don't like? I don't like go somewhere and smell that there's a dog there.
Terrible. No,
terrible. Remember, I don't hate dogs. As me say, me need 2 big German Shepherd.
Yeah.
I don't, I don't like dog. But me feel like house dog, me can't work with.
I feel like only certain dog can be house dog.
I want a dog have a purpose. Because if me are broke in a house, and me see a dog, a little one, me still a broke in a house. It now stop me from broken in the house. Brother, me probably stop and play with it a little bit. But me are broken in that house same way.
Bro, I have the friendship that I have. This friendship believes it's a guard dog.
Yeah, like it bark and it do all of that.
Open the door, run, come. I'm like, yo, what you was really going to do?
What you gonna do? Brother,
what you gonna do?
Brother, me probably forget I rob me come for rob the place. Oh, look at him.
Hey, friendly to you know.
All if him bite me, say, oh, look at him, it bite me.
Bro, dog even really have biting teeth.
Exactly. like, if me ever have a dog, me want him to rip something to shreds if him don't know who or what.
No, them one. But no, it's like, it's this weird thing now where I feel like I need a dog for like, the companionship dog and the guard dog separately.
You know what the trick thing with dog now?
Oh.
You see, me mind up. There's a reason why you have to let them stay far from you, because you see when you get one, you love them,
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Oh God.
Yeah, man.
Oh Lord. When my friend them have dog, oh Lord, look at the take it back now.
Uh-huh.
But the first initial, cause you don't want them,
You don't want them.
I want no dog, I have nothing to do with dog. The moment it, I say, what, look, man.
If you have,
no, you want to feed it.
Don't make a dog friend you up, A dog ever friend you up yet, like fully.
Brother, me did have
like know that dog,
Brother, me did have a dog at Jamaica named Brown Girl.
Yeah.
And carry it down Brown Girl and kill her.
Damn.
Stress me out, brother. Brown Girl. Brown Girl breed for everybody in the whole community.
Brown Girl, sketch dog.
Bro, Brown Girl.
Everybody baby mother.
Bro. Brown Girl breed for everybody. Brother, you have a dog up the road named Spot. Brown Girl breed for Spot. You have a dog down the road named Brownie. Brown Girl breed for Brownie.
Jaja.
Brother, Brown Girl does a breed for every dog. Every dog.
Yo, Brown Girl say, yo, it have to go on, It have to go on. Have to repopulate.
Bro, Brown Girl used to have like 12 pitney at a time.
Dang.
Brown Girl breed every year.
Yo,
Me never a 9-month dog take for breed because I feel like Brown Girl will just have like 2 set of pitney in 1 year, bro.
I feel like a less. I don't know if I'm more or less. But having, bro, can you imagine, feel sorry for them dog then I have 12 pitney one time. Having a litter is crazy,
I don't know what a litter is.
A bunch of
dog?
A bunch of dog.
I never know what that means.
Yeah, man, when dog breeding, remember about at least like 6.
Yeah, a whole heap of baby.
A whole heap of baby, that kind of crazy.
Brother, all me know my Brown Girl was a whoring dog. So all me can tell you, brother, because more while that me I come from school, dog, and see Brown Girl, brother, me see Brown Girl take some. I see Brown Girl come out the yard, and I say, but none of them dogs are even not mine, because I never ever see them carry no
None of
food
them no forward, come end zone, no left, no nothing for you.
Brother, me never see one of them dogs there say, yo, make me carry. And none of them dogs didn't come back for them pitney either. And Brown Girl, they just freak on my yard never have no gate.
Oh, so Brown Girl just go
So
run.
Brown Girl was gone a road go breed and carry the dog them. Brother.
Brown Girl get dog out.
Every time, brother, that's it, brother. Every minute you that's his spot, come my gate stay. Spot a weight. Brother, one day Spot pull up. One day Spot pull up to Bombard and see a next dog stuck on broad girl and can't come off. Spot says, stress out.
Spot Earth, Jano, baby mother, Roops.
Brother, brown girl brown girl are the most born givinest dog. Dog cheat too, you know. And yo, if you don't have a dog over there, no dog no loyal, you know.
No dog no
Woman
loyal.
dog worse.
I feel like any dog, every dog just loyal to them
community.
Them community
the
and
dog,
them impulses. If you cool with them cool with you.
You know, dog jealous too.
Oh, absolutely.
That's crazy.
Absolutely. Even of them owners, masters and them things too. Cause if you have a dog, you know, you have a dog and you go up on the road and you all pet a next dog. Your dog will go pre, you know. Bro, you're all right. Go up on the road and go check a friend and you're a friend of a dog and the dog and come ramp with you. When you go back home, check the attitude of your dog.
See how them look at thing there?
Brother,
attitude.
Dog, my dog will come home and just come right up by my leg and just sniff, just take out.
So yo, let me see if
and then just look for me.
Dog.
And then just look for me like, you're really out there.
A Rottweiler? A Rottweiler. So this is what we're doing now.
Wow. Yeah, full on Rottweiler, huh? You pet them too. I can't believe you.
So this is what we're doing now. All right.
Put some water in my bowl and don't talk to me.
Just walk
off. Slow, no excitement.
Brother, you know, I realized I'm bridging yard one time and the man talk and the man dog just there look upon him. And I say, why did that there? The man I say, oh, he just wants to go use the bathroom. I couldn't believe it. Mm-hmm. See, man, have to carry the dog out the door. The man I walk around in a circle. Oh, me soon forward in him not use it yet.
Yeah, you have to wait.
He's upset.
Because you know you take too long. Him did ready when they look for you.
So brown girl just a shit up my yard, so and brown girl never tell me when.
The yard.
Brown girl never yet say you want nothing, you know. Mm-hmm. Brown girl just let it go anyway.
And you just have to figure that out yourself.
We have to deal with that.
But at least, all right, brown girl never go in the house.
Brother, a bone remember feed dog at Jamaica, you know.
So that me the both for ask you now.
Them dog can not eat bone, you know.
What would you have for feed that? Because now, especially with them foreign dog, yeah, bro. Because me used to give my dog them.
Better than me a foreign, you know.
Oh, fully. Bro, remember when I used to have a whole heap of dog when I there at Jamaica. Ton can meal.
Me used to have a whole heap because I didn't have a choice. Because brown girl would have just. Yeah.
You have the brown girl legacy. Having to take care of.
I'm sure there's a dog in that house right now that is direct lineage.
Of brown girl.
Of brown girl.
Wow. I mean, them time the dog used to eat ton can meal and, you know, now you can't get
ton
that.
Can meal and my grandmother used to feed dog ton can meal and chicken back.
Yeah.
And my other grandmother find out and was filming.
Why?
With the other grandmother would eat chicken back.
I
mean, go home one day and I say, but why you have me eat dog food? After me other grandmother not me eat dog food.
Jaja.
No. I know when you're a little pitney. So when you're a little pitney,
yeah, man.
I say, I never realized it would be a problem.
It's like, oh, the dog food that.
My grandmother said, okay, so you say better than chicken back now. Say better than chicken back because, so you know what? Go live with your other granny.
Yeah, man, go damn steak over there, someone.
Go live with the other.
You're too good for chicken back now.
Because you don't eat chicken back. Chicken back slap though.
Oh, fully. Right now, I can't, like, when last you make like a curry chicken back?
I haven't. You know what the thing with chicken back though?
What?
And let's just be honest, bro. When I eat chicken back, you ever bite a piece of meat from the chicken back yet? You feel like a God come, like they make a mistake.
Yeah, look for. Like, yo, them never really, that part, our good one, this them never really chop off.
They make a mistake.
Yeah, man. God, this did forgot in the mixed parts.
Bro, because, brother, remember one time I eat a chicken back and me just get upset. I say, yo, them brother, you clean that chicken, you're too good.
Wicked.
I just straight bone.
Bone.
Rib.
Bone. Just
Me
Board.
say, rib.
Yeah, man. You have to use that make like a chicken stock on him something. You have to just
Brother, you
boil
have
it.
to just boil that in some soup, brother. Me get that. You know when you hold the chicken and like carve off the whole of the meat off it and I just straight back?
Mm-hmm.
You ever eat at some of them, they well curry down,
Yeah,
brother.
man.
But so my time me like it still, you know?
Yeah. So all right, so here what I'm start to know. I start use like just me make regular curry, use like the thighs or whatever, and just add a little chicken back in there for the
Make some getaway.
yeah, man, for the culture. You see me? just
You know me though?
What?
Me miss chicken back so much more while me peel off the meat off of the chicken.
Oh, like you make your own?
Yeah, me make my own chicken back. Yeah, me just peel off. So me, yes, me will literally just find the chicken thigh.
Yeah.
And just peel off the chicken off of the chicken
And
thigh.
all right.
And I said, this at the back.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Brother, because it have a bubblegum type thing to it, brother. You see when you start?
Yeah, man.
Brother.
So there's a little piece. Sometime them leave it on there.
That's not talked about enough, you know. That little
so
in the center of the bone, like a little bridge. Like yo,
that
super
little,
small.
it's like a pearl.
Yeah.
Brother.
It's like a little. It's like all right, like inside of a canoe.
Yeah.
See a little soup. Like
Yeah,
one little piece of chicken there, right?
That little bowl is like a little bowl with just the pearl. Bro, I wish you could get.
So my time, even that would have there at the meat shop.
Yeah, man.
The man, they make sure
them clean off that part there,
brother,
specifically.
With them for just call it back.
So, you know, I would love, it would probably be super expensive, but if I could get like a pound of just that little, we already sell wings, right?
A pound of the chicken.
Just the little
part,
the little pearl there.
People, don't leave way out, you know, that little part.
You know what we're talking about. You must know that it's just the perfect morsel of chicken. But it's always just that little piece. There's never, you know?
And easy, you literally can't take it out with your thumb. Like, whoops.
Yeah, man, just and gone. Perfect piece. The perfect piece of chicken.
Brother, because brother, I love dumpling and butter, you know?
Brother.
I don't eat cold dumpling.
So I still love the, sometimes I will make dumpling just so I know, say, few days later, I can fry them over.
Yeah.
Just so I can fry them over and make it.
Revisit.
I can revisit them dumpling. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make some boiled dumpling today. I don't really necessarily want them.
Yeah.
But I know, say, all a Thursday now, I may have some sardine in the cupboard. You know, all Thursday when I done fry down them dumpling again. Nice. I still do the sardine. Still do the sardine and fry. I feel like I have to do them things every now and again.
Remember my grandfather teach me how to make dumpling?
Yeah.
And he might tell me, say, yo, make sure say when I make dumpling, I use this. I need the dumpling.
Yeah.
I ask him why. He must say, because then I have a woman.
Yeah. Yep. That's I feel like we all.
Yeah, he must say, then I have a woman. Man say, no man not thumb them woman.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but if I this year use...
If I this year put in your woman.
So yeah, man. So you for make dumpling,
if I saw you do it, if I saw you finger your woman.
I remember I heard that. I was like,
that's right.
True. I mean, it not got in there, but sometimes it get used though. It not get used.
It have a little DJ.
It have a little, you see me? It have a little knob turning. You know.
Right,
so I don't know if that's fair either.
Dumpling and butter, crazy. That's in the dog. When you're there foreign too long, and you hold on to the things that we used to do a yard.
Yeah.
You know what me I bleach and dream on my youth?
No.
A plate, a box food, dog.
Brother, you know something I think about that the other day? In the cardboard.
Brother.
I need one in the cardboard box.
You want the cardboard?
Yeah, dog. Food. With the little you know when the cabbage have the little vinegar style cabbage.
Yeah, I know that. The cardboard one.
The cardboard one, man. In the cardboard box, it open up.
And see, the thing is, me get the cardboard one in my farm, never like it. But there's something about not matter about a garrison box food.
Yeah, man.
I talk about a box food. When you look upon the box food, it look like hard life. I talk about more the styrofoam one where have the little tear at the side, like the rice a drop out.
Yep.
And the top now lock. And when I open the food, it look like them not like me.
Yeah.
You just see the cabbage all over the place. One chicken, but it cut up in a 70, so it spread across.
What is that? What go on with that?
More the disproportionate rice. Like the rice must thick so high.
Why do we get 19 scoops of rice? Brother, sometimes we add some food.
95 scoop of rice.
We add some food.
And one chicken leg were cut up in a 7-piece. And spread it across. And then you just put mind out the cabbage of it. It have to be cabbage and carrot. And then one little look like coloring where them say a chicken gravy or curry gravy. Yeah, man, that me need in my life right now.
Yo, there's something about Jamaicans I love it, like certain struggle meals.
Brother, I just want more of that with all.
More of the curry, more you can see from the outside of the box, say a curry.
More on the box tear.
More the box kind of melt almost, like
more,
like
more the box is like the side them a drop off. More want a struggler.
Yeah.
Plate of food. Me no want know them food they are foreign present too good, brethren. Me want the box me want probably see them a fan fly from it or something.
Yeah. Yep.
Brother.
Yeah, man, hold this. Bro, sometimes the food is like...
Brother, I want when I walk in a restaurant, brother, I want to see them a chop up a chicken on the meat board. And a fan fly from around the chicken.
I feel like if you're going to the shop and all some sizzler now play.
Brother, even the foreign restaurant, they will trick me with that, brother. Me a talk about,
true,
brother, me a talk about a box food from all down a Hermitage. Augustone box food.
Yo, me used to get some box food at Papi in, you see, bro?
Brother.
Cheese and peace, man.
Brother, I used to have a man from KC named Boji. We used to sell food with Boji. Boji, me used to sell the box lunch time with.
Yeah.
When you get Boji food, brother, me love when the man them does all cheap and even buy a good bag. You know the small bag them?
Yeah.
More
like
one
a
of them.
tiny bag them.
More me have to stay so I hold up on the box food and dry it out.
It's like how not even get.
And curry get every whip on me.
All right, you know it's serious when you have the bag. You have the box food is in the bag. It wrap up, you know. So when you look on the bag, and you see a quarter cup of curry gravy.
In the bag,
the bag, you
just
know.
a hole.
You see me? Like
you
tilt it, the bag just goes full of gravy. You can pour back the gravy, pan the rice when you're done.
They can use back the gravy.
Yeah, man. Fully. Need that.
I want to bite one big Scotch bonnet pepper, brethren. I want to bite one big one as mistake.
Yo.
Them curry and now slap like... I don't know if the sufferation not depend the curry them, but I want some sufferer. Brother, if I go to Jamaica, I tell you about KFC. But now I got KFC when I go to Jamaica, you know?
No, man,
when I go to Jamaica, it's either I go one place, a Hermitage. When we used to buy box food, Swallow Field.
Swallow Field have some bad box.
Boji from Runga Spoilers. Big up Boji.
Straight.
One box food place that Dunkirk to when a normal.
Yeah.
Brother, me was a ghetto box food look, I know.
He was like a box food influencer.
Brother, me want a box food with vicious.
Yeah. Remember when the box food them have all the paper? We used to have the paper in it?
Yes.
Brother,
Brother, I want box food and me cut it. Brother, I want box food and me cut it in half. like a Philly cheesesteak. A cheesesteak box food.
Cut the whole box food.
Brother, I used to buy 2 of them. 2 box food more I buy every day.
Jaja. I remember there was enough where you could have like, yo, do you remember?
You have to scrape the chicken over there, so. And when you scrape the chicken in, the rice cake up.
Yeah.
Because them thump rice.
You have to refluff the rice after
it's
that.
like you have to bring back the rice to life. Back to life.
Yeah, you have to fluff up the rice. Yo, you know the dangerous part of that now? You better sit down somewhere careful, on one table or something, car.
The whole around
when you go so,
your chicken might gone with it,
Brother. Yo. I say one time I buy a box food at Papine, bro. I get fried chicken. I get fried chicken with curry gravy, white rice, brother. So I go so. I wait for my bridging for forward down, Brother, so I go so. I move the chicken over and the box just goes so. Whoop.
And the whole chicken, the whole chicken fall out with it.
Brother, I want to cry.
Yo, so you know what's funny? So, when I just got KC,
yeah.
I did basically, when I knew you them. So,
Yeah.
sit down at the back of the class and them say at lunchtime. Guy lunch was a youth. Apparently, he was like the bully.
Mm-hmm.
Brother, me now like, first day of school, first day I go to school, I go to the canteen. Our canteen was Tasties.
Mm-hmm.
So I go and I get a Barbie fried chicken, rice and peas. Love it.
I was not aware that Barbie fry was like a Jamaican thing till I come a foreign.
Yeah, me never see Barbie fry.
Barbie fry not exists up here.
Me need Barbie. Bring back Barbie
what
fry.
What happened to Barbie fry? Why would we are push oxtail and all kind of
and
something?
Barbie fry done.
What happened to Barbie fry?
People no stop Barbie fry.
We are losing sauce,
Me tell you, say somebody, that's why I still hold on to them things and I not let them go.
Yeah.
Brother, so I buy my box food.
Yeah.
I'm try it for the first time. Them did have a Pepsi, did have something named Bubbler. My Barbie fry, a lot Barbie fry and a Bubbler. That used to run me about $350. And I go to my class and I mash up that the first day. See, second day, now I know a Barbie fry and a Bubbler is,
Yeah.
Now all me I think about is a Barbie fry and a Bubbler. Second day, I'm there at KC.
Yeah.
I walk in a canteen, brother. Buy my Barbie fry and a Bubbler. It hectic. Cause it was like we a fight. Forget the food in the canteen. I walk out, dog. And 2 youth a ramp and a run. And the man run and thump the Barbie fry out of my hand.
Cha-cha.
Everything gets slow. Brother, because you know how Jamaican food stay, It give me time to see the whole food drop.
Yeah,
you know why? I see when them box the food out of me and
Yeah.
the mind of the rice cake up. So the rice not spread nowhere. Me just see the whole box.
The rice
just go up. The rice just go up.
Cha-cha.
And the chicken just go up. And me look upon the thing and me put out my hand and me catch the middle part of the rice. 2 side drop. That is how much. Brother, the rice cake. Me must say half it. Catch.
You just catch a wad of rice.
One big wad of rice. Chicken drop, everything drop.
Damn.
I turn around and I look upon the youth. Say, yo, brother. Yo, you go buy back my food. No.
Right now.
Man say, brother, you say a mistake, I play. Me say, brother, you go buy back my food. No.
This instant, bro.
Brother, me see man look for me and tell me, say me dey pa my own. Brother, I just walk off. Walk off. Case have a place named Pavilion. I walk off over the Pavilion. Cause it's like a little place where like all things there. So me I look for like board and me I say, me I go do this guy. This not gonna work out.
Yo,
like
this car just done. So.
Brother, I just take up one piece of board. And I go back and I say, Birchin, you know, I buy back my food. And the man think I joke me. I make, yo, you say me slap him down face with the boat, brother.
Yeah.
Me bust up a whole like man face, you know.
Yeah, man. Rightfully.
He food, you know.
Rightfully.
Brother.
Rightfully.
Brother. Me bust up a whole like man face with the food, you know. I walk going there, principal office, go sit down, you know. Second day I can't see, you know.
Wow. Wow.
Brother,
I mean, that sounds justified
brother,
to me, brother.
When they call my grandmother ball, she ball.
Granny was tired.
Yo, my grandmother come to school. My grandmother say, "What you want me to do, deal? What more?"
The second day.
The second
day.
Over food.
But that, I feel like that fear, brother. Cause I don't know.
Bobby Fright, Nancy. Big up Nancy anyway, Nancy. Nancy used to always make sure say 2 extra pieces of chicken get when on my food.
Oh, man. So, you know, said, Nancy, I look out for you, you know.
Brother.
Jaja.
Brother, when we reach Nancy, would I just be like,
what you want? You good?
You're good, man.
But I already know where you're at. You're right.
You know Bobby Fright and a bubbler.
Yeah, man.
Brother, you know, so when we there can't see them raise party and we strike.
Really? Wow. How much was Patty going to?
I think Patty did a move to like $85 or something like that.
Wow.
And we literally did have cardboard sign and everything. I would write something like 85 for a patty. Are you serious? I would strike.
Brother,
we go up on a patty strike from THÉÄTRE.
When I was a youth, you know, bro. Cause patty prices to me bro, I remember when me first see chicken patty, you know. I remember first seeing chicken patty, I was like, this is the evolution.
Patty is about to take off.
Yeah, man,
now.
patty is going there. You see, I see the price them start go up. Cause me as a little youth, patty wasn't anything crazy. Patty $20, you know. Easy. You see me?
You used to pay $20 for patty?
$20. This is where I'm like 7. Go ahead. Alton Dean. Yo, they're going crazy with Alton Dean in the comments. We need an Alton Dean t-shirt.
Alton Dean.
Brother.
Me like how they know. Me like how everybody know. Say Alton Dean, me I go say.
Yeah, man, Alton Dean, for sure.
The pause is a giveaway. No, me I go need a new wheel fee. The pause when me I go introduce Alton Dean.
God, people, bro, I've seen it on like my comments, just like on Instagram. People are like, yo, Alton Dean. I was like,
brother, what day me ask me chat? Me say, yo, chat, what you want me talk about?
Alton Dean.
Somebody write Alton Dean.
The legend.
I ask the YouTube community what them want to talk. You know the man them comment? A man comment and say, you see for the inner the 70s?
If I never one thing in it, if I did the...
You see for the inner the, I want a piece of... A tambourine with the man. And I'm going to just beat you with it.
Aye, Jaja.
Brian Lara.
Good batsman.
Good batsman.
Good batsman. You know, sometimes I feel like as you get...
Irvin side, you know.
Irvin side?
Irvin see the video.
Yeah.
Well, lie. Irvin heard it.
Irvin hear about the video.
Kind blind.
I was about to say the Irvin squeeze lime in him, yeah.
Yeah, man, I watch it out. Lime.
It's good for...
Irvin said lime good for cataract.
Yeah, man, it will burn out the cataracts, you see me?
Irvin said lime good for cataract, so I'm squeeze lime in my eye.
Jaja. Alton Dean. All right, so let me ask you this now. If you were shown a better, easier way to do, like a thing that you... All right, would you make rice and peas any other way than how you make it?
First of all, it depends, because I feel like Jamaica, we have multiple ways of making rice and peas.
Yeah.
So we are going to boil the peas.
Yeah.
When the peas done boil, we put a little water in it, and we boil it again.
Mm-hmm.
Then we are going to make sure we add 1 scotch bonnet pepper.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to add the thyme. 2 pimento seed.
Mm-hmm. Piece of scallion.
One big piece of scallion.
Why do we do the one big piece of scallion?
Me no like cut up scallion, Bridget. One big piece of scallion I in my rice and peas, Bridget.
And there's always like a luck of the draw who
you might get the scallion.
Just and the scallion just attached to every other.
The scallion just roll up in the rice.
Yeah, man. It's like a sushi roll with just scallion and rice and peas.
Yeah.
Just in there. Like you might just string off.
Come season my rice and peas too. I'm put like all-purpose seasoning on it and everything.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Season my rice and peas. And then I put the rice in it and when it boil up, I mix it around. Add the coconut milk. Vital.
Very vital.
I like the natural coconut though. The coconut milk sometimes can throw it off.
Too
much coconut milk will kill your rice and peas. It's awful.
I think a lot of people don't talk about that enough.
When too much coconut milk get when rice and peas?
Porridge.
Coconut porridge.
Porridge. And it's low-key terrible.
It not taste good. It not taste good.
It's like rice and peas. We feel like rice and peas for little Shelly. You know what I mean?
Little? No, I want to know.
Yeah.
Can we do it, you know?
Yeah.
Who came up with this thing that when we are cook rice and peas,
it's Shelly.
We have to put a file on the top? File. You see, I see rice and peas I cook on a file on the top.
I don't feel like it real.
Yeah, I cook rice and peas for real though.
No, so here's the thing now. I feel like I have to go really see how this end up. Because if you not put the file on it,
them say we make it not Shelly.
Then it will make it not Shelly. But also, now me have to judge whether or not you know what you do. Because now I really going to judge your rice.
Yeah, because now you're gone. If you see you're gone file, I'm going to judge your rice.
Yeah, because all right, now I have to go see if you really know what you do. You know what I mean? Because rice and peas is a serious thing. And if you don't call it rice and peas, I don't want it.
If it name rice and beans, Virgin, let me tell you something. If me go to your restaurant and you say, you have rice and beans,
yeah, man.
Give me back my money, Bridget.
Yeah, man. But you not gonna get my money yet at that point.
And if me give my money, I want a refund.
Immediately.
Because me no want you tell me about where you want to give me.
Don't make it say red bean and rice, you know. Me gone. Because I don't even know what that is.
That sound Mexican. That could that.
I don't know what that.
I just me up and they up, pimento.
Red beans and rice. Yeah, we be making. We just like the Jamaicans. That's all.
No, so that's some fajita. But that fajita they might give me.
Yeah, but we be making the red beans and rice with the stewed chicken, man. Yeah, we do all the. No, that's not the.
Do you add brown into your stewed chicken?
It depends. Either browning or I'll do like
a little pinch of sugar.
Little sugar before my fry.
You know, stir it up. Little sugar.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Because some of the time, all right, this is the next thing too. Let me see. Some people don't use ketchup in them stewed chicken.
I've noticed that.
Are you one of those not ketchup users?
I'm a ketchup user.
Yeah, me have to catch it up.
Yeah, I feel like I don't know how, but
too watery to me. If ketchup not in that stewed chicken, it give me a different vibe.
No, I've tried other things. And I just realized, you know when you get used to the poison, and you know it's like
you're not supposed to put ketchup in a chicken. I heard.
No, okay, so you can, and you know traditionally I believe we do, but you know because most ketchup have like high fructose corn syrup and them kind of thing then there with them said not good for you, you know. So I've tried like okay, instead of ketchup, I gotta do like I gotta use tomato paste instead. It's just not the same.
Exactly.
It's not the same.
Do you remember the cooking pattern in Jamaica?
The cooking like the days?
The days of the week. So in Jamaica, the days of the week is depending on the meal, you know.
Yes.
And the days of the week start from a Sunday. So you see on a Sunday, is rice and peas and anything.
Yes.
Rice and peas and anything.
It have to be rice and peas. If it's not rice and peas...
It's not Sunday.
It's not Sunday.
And that rice and peas is different from the other rice and peas that you might eat during the week.
Why is that? Why Sunday rice and peas different from like a Thursday rice and peas?
No, we don't.
Rice and peas don't make Thursday.
No, but we buy food.
Yeah.
We buy food and get rice and peas. But rice and peas don't cook in our house.
True.
Rice and peas not cook in our house if it's not.
If it's
on
not
a
Sunday. That is true.
Monday is the same food from Sunday.
Yeah, the Sunday Monday.
Sunday
the legendary Sunday Monday.
Tuesday, I get a stew chicken. No,
Tuesday.
Tuesday I get something disgusting. Like,
Tuesday I like something, you know what? Tuesday
like
is
kidney
Tuesday is something nasty usually.
Kidney, liver.
Yeah, man.
Normally have dumpling with
Liver and dumpling or like
kidney and white rice. It's like Tuesday.
Sardine and rice.
Tuesday is the day when it's like, what's that, cho? Anything you gotta eat now.
Yeah, man. Tuesday
Tuesday we get broad bean. Tuesday get broad bean and saltfish. Yeah, I say, Jesus Christ, like the world. Like, yo, bro, I remember I had a stretch.
Yeah.
When I was younger, comment if you remember this. When I was younger, I used to make videos every Tuesday.
Yeah.
I would have me get kidney. Tuesday was the worst cooking day
ever. Just
Brother,
the worst.
Broad bean and saltfish, kidney, liver.
I've eventually grown to like liver and dumpling.
Not all the time.
Yeah, not all the time. Not every Tuesday.
Brother, we used to get some mad sitting like chicken gizzard. Bro, you see Tuesday cooking?
So my idea of Tuesday, you know what I think Tuesday in the Jamaican cuisine is a continuation of Monday. Not make Monday, you know, but thankfully I have something from Sunday.
Exactly.
Tuesday is kind of the same vibes.
Tuesday a splash and dash. You might get a
splash and dash.
Splash and dash.
Yeah, cause now you not have nothing from Monday for save for Tuesday.
Exactly. Only thing when me like on Tuesday, where it's a rarity.
Yeah.
Corned beef. Corned beef and dumpling.
Rice. Or bully beef and dumpling.
Bully beef and dumpling.
Yes, bro. Yes.
You do have to show the people
yes.
why you look the way you look.
Bully beef. Bully beef. Man, yo.
Bully beef.
Proud of the big backness. You know?
Me still a buy bully beef to this day.
And here's the funny thing.
And you gonna bully me, but me not stop.
Here's the funny thing. Why we call it bully beef? We are the only people who call it bully beef. You know? It's canned beef everywhere else.
The craziest thing, I when me I look bully beef and can't
find bully beef.
I walk in, I stir them up here, ask for bully beef and can't get the bully beef. And them I look for me like me mad.
Bull beef? Like different from cow beef? Like what you mean?
You ever ask for goat or foreign yet? Goat
no,
meat?
we don't sell that.
Mutton? What's that? What's mutton?
Yeah, we don't sell that at Whole Foods, sir. I don't think we.
Brother, I got a halal place then.
Yeah, that's what you forgot. You forgot eat like the halal place them are like the African, you know, the Afro-Caribbean place them where.
Sheep them actually selling.
Yeah. Yeah. You have to like specifically ask for goat. Like if you look and say mutton, there's no say a sheep again.
Yeah. They might not. So that Tuesday tastes bad day. Wednesday now we start going to you either get curry chicken or stew chicken.
Or stew chicken.
That varies Thursday too, you know. So Wednesday and Thursday, either you're getting curry or stew.
Yeah.
You might get like dumpling or you might get rice.
So in my experience, Thursday and Wednesday
are two decent food days.
They're decent. They're not the greatest. But it's also like they're both not awesome. Like if Wednesday good, Thursday go kind of lame. If Thursday good, Wednesday go lame.
Yeah, but you kind of know where you get.
You know where you get.
Friday, me not cook.
No, Friday is
a KFC.
KFC day.
KFC or Burger King or jerk chicken.
Yeah. You go out the road and pan chicken or whatever.
What you call it?
Pan chicken, different.
That's rich right there. Yeah. Tell me where you grew up or how you grew up. In Jamaica, I can spot a uptown man from a mile away. Oh, me know if you're uptown. You see, if everything no name cornflakes, you're uptown.
No, everything are cornflakes. Everything are cornflakes.
Uptown people use cereal and them have it by name.
Yeah, that's very uptown. That's
everything for me are cornflakes.
That's
Whether it
very
be
uptown.
Cheerios, anything, any kind of
once
Reese's
it
Puff.
cold, I'ma pour milk on it.
Once milk I go
That's
pan, first of
cornflakes.
all, everything are milk too.
Oh,
Lasco
yeah.
is milk.
Yes.
Condensed milk is milk.
Mm-hmm.
Tin milk is milk.
Yeah. All milk.
Soy
Everything.
milk is milk.
Milk.
Milk is milk.
Yeah.
But, may I tell you, see, Friday,
Mm-hmm.
when you have that jerk chicken, you see, Saturday, you're drinking soup.
For sure.
There's
sure.
no doubt. Saturday, eating a nice breakfast in the morning.
You're getting a great breakfast.
Saturday morning breakfast slaps.
Yeah. Like,
Saturday and Sunday morning breakfast is
yeah.
slap. Sunday morning breakfast.
Sunday whole day.
What is your Sunday morning breakfast?
Me personally,
My Sunday morning breakfast could have only be two things.
So my Sunday morning breakfast is usually, so I prefer fried dumpling.
All right. We start off on a good foot.
Fried dumpling. So usually it's like ackee and saltfish, but I prefer cook up saltfish. Just like,
No.
I prefer it without the ackee
Fried
sometimes.
dumpling and ackee and saltfish is the ultimate Sunday breakfast.
Yeah, but I prefer it without ackee sometimes. I
Or-
just like the cook up saltfish.
Or we might take some stew chicken in the morning. Sunday morning
Yeah.
stew chicken.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stew chicken and fried dumpling is a Sunday morning delicacy.
Yeah,
you know.
that is top tier.
So
I
bear
feel
in
like we
mind-
don't talk
bear in
about
mind,
that enough.
I don't think people understand. Stew chicken is the most universal dish in the Jamaican.
I don't know how
palate.
jerk chicken get such a big forward when stew chicken been.
Jerk chicken get a big fall because a special day.
Yeah,
Stew
true.
chicken, there's no time when stew chicken valid.
Yeah,
We eat
it's
stew
good
chicken
all the time.
morning, like, brother, me have stew chicken and dumpling for breakfast. And then, pan a Sunday, me will have
Yeah.
stew chicken and dumpling for breakfast. And then stew chicken and rice and peas for dinner.
For dinner. Yep. Facts.
And a two different stew chicken.
Facts. They're not even going to taste the same at all.
Exactly, because we cook the two stew chicken them different.
It's crazy.
Yeah,
It's
because
crazy.
some stew chicken, you know. Cause my granny used to show me. So you say morning stew chicken, we season everything and drop that in the pot one time. You see,
Yes.
you see Sunday
Yes.
stew chicken.
Yes.
We season that and
You
we
have to-
fry them.
You have to brown it first.
We brown them and we take them out of the pot. Special
and
stew.
the-
So when,
yeah, man.
when we brown, we fry them, take them out of the pot, put it in a one little plate, make it soak up, let the oil soak off, wash the pot there,
Yeah.
and then we add in back the stew chicken, and we put
And
little
put the
water,
thing- Put back all the seasoning them in there.
and then we season,
Make it
and then
simmer.
that is a different type of stew chicken. Now, where them call that one day again? A stew chicken, they're different, you know. That's a cooked down,
Yeah, that's how they cook down.
like cooked down stew chicken.
Yeah, that the morning one is like a rush thing. Cause the cook down one, that been a season from last night, you know.
That's seasoned from yesterday.
Yeah, man, that in the fridge done wrap up and thing ready. You see me? But the morning one, you just whoops that up same time. Same time.
You still clean pan Saturday morning?
Yeah, Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah,
Depends.
these are designated cleaning days.
Yeah, you have to play. You know, you have to play either some music or listen some church.
I feel like certain music I have to play on Sunday.
Yeah, I mean, me personally, I feel like if me not playing like Sanchez and
Brother,
them thing upon a Sunday morning.
if
then-
me now wake up in the morning and I hear that, I hear the sound of angels singing on a homecoming day.
Oh, my Sunday morning, my ear.
Oh yeah, I'll be down by the river. You know, say yo,
What?
brother.
Yeah, man.
When me hear that,
Somebody
yo,
grab a broom, you know.
when me hear that, it's like me raised from the dead. So,
Oh.
waiting for the joy on this lovely
Yeah, man.
day.
Just grab a broom same time and just
Oh, brother,
start do something.
when me a sweep out,
I-
my God
All
is
right.
real.
Tell the
Yes, I know He is.
you know, like the place clean up better when them song they are playing.
Brother, me feel like there's a different ear.
Yeah, but the breeze different, the ear cleaner, brother.
Brother, my granny used to have one lady where used to talk the song them. Should I say?
I went to church this Sunday. And the pastor said, come on, I'm going to pray for you. And he said, I want you to jump up and say Jesus 3 times. I jumped up Jesus the first time. But when I jumped up the 3rd time, something got a hold of me. And he looked and he said, girl, I don't think she's playing this time. I remember mama. And a happy, I remember mama. Yo, you see me in the room, I'm here. I remember mama. In a happy way. I remember mama.
The day can't start proper.
But I have to remember mama.
You have to. You have to.
She packed her lunch in an old greasy bag. Hidden by the bedside.
You know,
But it was more than others had.
like, all right, let me just start, get up, no car.
I remember mama. Brother, if you remember mama, you're not happy way up on a Sunday, you know.
I'll leave mama wicked.
I'll if mama,
I'll leave mama wicked, brother.
I'll if mama is the worst person in the world. Yes, it's Sunday. You gotta remember her,
Yo,
brother.
I rate how Jamaicans revere their mother still in a car. We're not talking about how much people probably don't have a good relationship with their mother. And you could all in one dance and, yo, from your nose, say you love your mother. Gun on in here. Boom, 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 boom. It's like, dang. You know, long me not talk to my
Brother.
Yeah, man.
Brother,
Rate
me
man.
that I'm a bed, I'm just all here. Who is this man
Mm,
who walked on sea and land?
mm.
Everyone should know him.
You know, all right.
Jehovah, he's ever living, ever faithful.
You know what's always so crazy to me about the church, the loud church music on a Sunday? You can't vex about it, you know.
You have to just work with it.
Yo, all if you know why, hear it right now, it no matter where you are go through, you know. It have to, if somebody else start playing it, you have to just love it.
And it mix up too because, hey, best believe, you know. You can hear a one Kirk Franklin, you know.
Yeah, man, you might all hear a souls in there.
I do that. You can hear a R. Kelly too.
You can hear one
Yeah,
R.
man,
Kelly
tell
drop in there and say, all right, I guess you saved me.
Brother, no matter how you saved me. Oh, you
guess-
saved me.
I guess this count as a...
And no matter how much bad word and evilness take place, what we see what parents do and lie. You see, Sunday, my God, we lift our hands in the sanctuary. We lift our hands to give you the praise.
Them are going to play that and cuss you out, say, you know, do nothing from
Get
morning.
up and clean up the blood clot.
Yeah, man, you're nasty, Raz. You're there asleep from...
Wash up the blood clot. Plate them, you know.
It's like, yo, Jesus not here, you. How are you?
Brother,
Yeah, deal with me, son.
there is something special about them Sunday. That little Sunday vibe there.
That's Sunday energy there.
Brother, I the souls them, brother, you did have a old one where when me younger would want one little girl it was like a girl voice. What can I give to you? The great I am. I am not a shepherd. So, I said, John, no, grandma. Let's get a rest, so I cannot give him a lamb.
You just have to
Oh,
deal
no,
with it.
I'm not a rich man still alive. But when I can pick up to give you, I give my heart blood. Nah, y'all little picnic. But I know what picnic falls baptized.
Yeah, man.
Past Sunday just because.
Yeah, man, sang boots them up. Yeah, man.
Brother, you know which one you make baptized?
Which one?
The one with R. Kelly and Kirk Franklin.
Which one?
The one with oh, that one they go again. The one when it's like them a tell a story, man. Hey, comments, remind me of that song there. R. Kelly and Kirk Franklin.
You know, is which one? Is which
I
one?
think, no,
catch me?
Sita, them that tell a story.
Which one?
And the R. Kelly and Kirk Franklin is like him a tell a story. It's like him a, me not stop, you know, because this is a staple. YouTube. R. Kelly, Kirk Franklin. R. Kelly,
You know, which one did catch me? You remember the R. Kelly and Celine Dion? Oh,
Lean on me.
Rotted cup.
Brother.
Yo.
Lean on me.
Oh, yeah, man, that did.
I mute this so I can find the... I think them be like I tell a story. Brother, you say lean on me? Oh. Let me see.
Yo, this, I don't know why this song, like, know the song.
He has no home. He has no fears that his blue skies are gone. So, I say, you can hear him crying out, and there's a girl searching for a father and a friend.
That song had a chokehold.
On the Jamaican, and yo, listen to me.
Yo, me used to sing that more than devotion. Them
But
song they used to sing
instead of walking away,
them song that sing all graduation and them thing there.
Open up your heart and say, I am here. I am here. You don't have to worry. I can see your tears.
That devotion.
Your tears. I'll be there
devotion and rock.
in a hurry when you call.
When you call.
He love you more than you'll ever know. You see that part there? I ball, me start balling. You see me here, Kurt Franklin jump in and say, he love you more than you'll ever know.
Like,
Tears. Tears.
You know which one used to catch me? You know the R. Kelly and Celine Dion. What name? Angel? Angel?
Angel? No, that's not Angel of mine and nothing there.
No, that's
Remember, I know, they have to be gospel, you know. R. Kelly bad with the gospel, them too.
R. Kelly bad with the gospel. Bro, you saved me bad, you know?
Oh,
You saved me. Angel, you know, remember Angel? Oh, okay.
Remember, make sure you turn on and mute your phone, you know.
You must remember Angel, bro. You must remember Angel. Oh, Jaja.
Brother, I'm going to tell you, mute your phone.
Jaja. I'm your... You remember
I'm your angel.
Yes. I was like, yo, for real, you know?
Yeah, real.
Yo.
My angel, for real, you know.
Yo, need to stop ramping and give your life over to the Lord, you know, bro.
Brother, enough Sunday. Enough Sunday, me baptize and backslide by
Sunday evening.
By 6, 7 o'clock, me backslide. But you see, between 7 to 11,
yeah, man.
brother.
Nobody can, bro, don't even curse around me, you know. Not judge, you know. Dog, yo, brother, watch your language, my lad.
Brother, what if my granny miss church?
Yeah, man.
Bear man, you know, some of the time, you know, all this I play when we are get ready for God church, you know.
Yeah.
We are eat for food and then we are get ready for God church, you know, dog.
Yeah. So imagine when you miss church is a different.
When you miss church, you know.
Cause now you have to make up for church, you know. You have to make up for church now.
Brother, you see last Sunday, although my father make we can't remember the full one, Under the Rock.
I'm on the rock.
No, another one they were one.
Which one?
The Christian one. No, that's the singing one, but the girl sing. You have a girl will sing. No, hey, Jamaica used to have some slap.
Dang.
Brother, Sanchez have some, yeah. My God is real, yes,
Yeah.
I know.
Yo,
he is.
Sanchez and Garnet Silk.
All you have to do is just make up your... You can't sound like Sanchez, you know.
Yeah.
Just squeak up your voice. Just slow down. Think about it. Look, Sanchez. Jehovah is ever living, ever faithful.
Yep.
In you we are secure.
It's a little nasally.
Jehovah is reaching out to you. For you, he's got a whole lot of things in store.
So I feel like
Everyone
Garnet Silk
should know him.
I think Garnet Silk is like the reverse of that. Like same vibe, but just bring it more. Like instead of nose, it's more like throat.
I'm find a Garnet Silk song when me like. Just tell me a Garnet Silk song when me I try to figure it right now.
What the one name when I talk about
John, watch over her shoulders tonight and help it.
into tomorrow? Yeah. I'm that.
Yeah, but it's still that now. Give me a Garnet Silk song.
Christ in
everybody
his
know.
kingly character. Christ in his kingly character.
Oh,
Christ in his kingly
I
character.
feel like him have a big song when me
Christ in
like.
his
I mean, now
kingly
remember.
character. One love, brother man, say Rasta. Who goes, it must be Jaja. I know, you don't have to wonder.
You know which one my granny used to love play?
Which one?
It's growing up.
Just inside me.
And it is rolling up. Just inside. Brother,
man.
me never know God and say, come vex him dead.
Brother.
Every time the man sound play a song that them explain how him dead.
Hurtful. Remember?
Splashing, dashing, restless seas.
Seems to be.
You know why I remember God next to so much?
Why?
He did play in the bad boy Trevor play.
Really?
Yeah, if you remember the Trevor, the
Long
one
time
when
if
you watch Bad Boy Trevor, that a thing there.
Long time I watch back. I need to watch back some of them plays. What I talk about that, you know?
Yeah.
I need to watch back some of them plays. I need to watch back Higler.
Splashing, dashing, restless seas.
Seems to
Oh,
be.
you see my favorite Ghana still care. Why did I forget that? Hello, Mama Africa.
How are you?
I'm feeling fine.
You see how long I sing about
and
Africa?
I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama. Brother, when I hear them Sunday and Monday, para Sunday, but just ready. I hope when you hear these words, your grace turn blue.
Grace turn blue.
yeah, for make sure say it. You can't left
You
it
can't
out
leave
to
out that part there. That's
feel-
necessary.
You have to drop it in back.
Absolutely
Grace
necessary.
turn blue.
Yo, I tell you, man.
Yo, have you ever broken down Living Up before? Do you realize he's singing about America?
Living up. Well, Sanchez living up.
Yeah.
Living up.
Listen to it. It's a song about America. You know? Me and my friend,
Frenzy
listen to the song.
on
Me and
the
my
NZ.
friendsy on the NZ, rolling Spency, sipping on some NEC,
Living up.
living up,
Roll
living
on
up.
to Wendy's.
Roll out to Wendy's,
Yeah.
pack a vibe, and
no,
stepped
man.
inside.
Living
Living
up.
up. So we going down to South Beach and to
Yes.
it's literally an American song. To all of my jiggers and Mike MCs, and in the ear if you love ladies. It's actually a song. He must sing about
Like his
America.
experience there. Like
him literally a sing about Florida. When he must say also him go down to South Beach or to Palm Beach.
Yeah.
It's literally a song.
I never really pay attention.
It's a song he must talk about foreign.
Sanchez.
Sanchez. Big up Sanchez.
Big up Sanchez. He was one of the next legendary
Sanchez
cover.
are one of the bad cover singer them.
Yeah, man.
Really and truly, me not believe Sanchez not a cover. Sanchez own every cover.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah. Cause the song that I'm sing over, you're not going to play the original.
No, if Sanchez take your song.
Yeah, that's a Sanchez song now. It even the same.
Dog say, roll down to Wendy's, park her ride, MC category. See that? Category? You're not in my category.
You're not in my category.
So we roll down to North Beach and to Sound Beach, down at Palm Beach where I'm and man reach. Living up. How far in the man I talk about?
Yeah, I was like, yeah, man. It's all like him got to Florida. And now he's like, dog, but they're foreign, you know, yo, just itch up in the house, dog. No, man, we have to go live in a dog. We could go to Palm Beach and them things that me want.
Brother, them man used to have some ad lib. The man, remember one time I literally getting a spirit to listen to some Sanchez song.
Yeah.
The one that matter about everyone should know him. Brother, when the song I play me in the background, cause him have a little on the pan.
Sometimes I them look apart, they make you just feel.
I said, John, I real thing. I'm need to give my life to the Lord right now.
Yo, Jaja.
I remember my mama. Brother, bear in mind, you know. My mother left Jamaica when me like 4 or 5. I mean, I remember.
Yeah,
mama,
remember it, you know.
Said,
Yeah, bro, better remember, you know.
my mama.
Better remember, you know.
Me say,
Jog your memory.
Me look something for member, you know that.
Yeah, you go find one picture and. Oh, mommy. Look while I play them song.
You know the other one too? You have another one. You have cause remember my mother and father they live a Friday now.
Yeah.
You have the father one too, you know. Tell me if you know the father one.
No, which one?
You know the father one, you know. But just I got drag a memory right now.
Which one?
Let me say, ooh, tim, 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 tim. When my mother would disagree, he danced with my mother and me and him. If I could get another,
I forgot he did that over now.
Walk,
That I think that tune.
Dance with him. I'll play a song that will never ever end. I would love to dance with my father again. Remind me, never talk to my father yet. But me did want to dance with him when I hear that, when I like a picnic. But no, brother, that's a little bad thing.
You know, so interesting about that song to me. I always thought it was weird how Jamaicans took on to that song.
Yo, we own some of them foreign songs still in.
Yeah, fully. But even
we not give them back.
But that song that to me is like, we not dance with father.
A Jamaican.
A Jamaican. So
we not dance.
Why we even?
And we are playing it in a dance.
We are playing it in a dance and all. Big up a good, yeah man.
Yo, big up all the good father.
All the good father, man. Man, know say them take care of them youths and yeah man.
You see, mother song and father. Yo, we are sleep on the father song them, you know.
Yeah.
You have some bad father song, you know.
Yeah. Very true. Very true.
What your favorite father song? Me know. Well, first of all, what your favorite mother song?
My favorite mother song is Sizzler. Thank you, mama.
All right, that's yours. Mine, oh yeah. So no. Oh mama don't cry. Mama don't cry no more. Oh, better days are there for sure. Why don't yo man them who don't love for the mother again?
From your eye.
Yo, who don't love for the mother again? Dance all.
What happened to her?
One to the mother. One time, if you have a mother song a hit, you know, who don't want to hit?
A mother song was just a
mother song transcend everything.
Every big artist supposed to have a mother song.
When I act in it say, oh, surround a coronation market. No one say it rough because she talk it. Straight from mama basket, turn her neck and know it market. Yeah. Brother. Mama, you alone. So I go and sweep the yard till you come out. Yo, brother, me a robotic wrong. Me a say,
you're right, you know, mom.
Me a say, grandma soon come home.
Yeah, man.
Me a rock. How you go and take care of brother? That song that was my whole life. Because I live with my little brother.
Go and take care of
my granny
brother.
gonna work. My granny make sure say, yo, me have to sweep. My granny carry me go market.
Yep.
My granny used to always carry me go market. I used to see her market.
So that's the whole life.
The whole song
the entire life.
Us around a curry, brother. Yes, when the man says, strength from mama basket, strain her neck, I know it market. Yeah. I say, yo.
Real talk, you know.
Real thing, you know.
Cha.
Yes, when the man says, I go and take care of my little brother them till you come home, yeah. Mama, you alone. You alone.
Cha.
Mother song. You see, mother song them. Sizzler. Me know say Sizzler
that's like
thank
a staple.
you, mama. It's a big one.
Yeah.
But me don't probably try the melody. I like the Egyptian one.
Yeah. No, the
acting, that are the trio. The three biggest mama songs.
No man, so I'm
there's an honorable mention, you know.
I'm
never tell you the honorable mention.
Okay.
It I can blame.
Yeah.
The three biggest, I might get. So the three biggest mama songs in Jamaica is Sizzler, Thank You Mama,
for the 9 months you carry.
Ayactian, Mama You Alone, Egyptian, Mama Don't Cry. Honorable mention, Cartel, Mama, my mommy.
No, so but I gotta say, where would I be without my mama?
All right, see that can be an honorable mention, but
from my mama.
All right, Christopher Martin.
That's like a new one though.
No, but Christopher Martin to me, have the best father song.
Which one?
See, enough people didn't even know it. My daddy went for a walk just the other day with my daddy right beside of me. Him said, son, what you wanna be when you grow up?
Yes.
I don't wanna be
more
no
father
policeman,
songs, you know.
Cause crime is getting out of hand.
Need
No
more father
liar,
songs.
no fireman. Said what she wanna be then, just like you. Me never see this, my mommy. Dad, I started this body now. Take care of me, you like you
that
take
never get the
care
far
of
though,
me.
I did forget. That never get the far though, I did forget. That never get the far though, I did forget.
Dog, brother, all if me not know when my father do me, I say, yo, John, no. Yeah, man, I saw like Christopher Martin clearly did have a good father.
Yeah,
because that sounded it since
when I hear it, I was like, damn, imagine your youth look upon you. And you ask your youth, yo, where you want to be and all the things. I say, yeah, man, just like you.
Dog, you know what that do for me? Oh, Lord. Coming out right now, I'm not look for my father, so I want to be like him, you know.
I want to be just like, whatever you do there, I'm you know, whatever you do
anything
there.
what my father do, that is what me do want to do. Me want to do just the opposite of you. Ooh.
Don't want to be like you.
Don't want to be like you at all.
Ja. No, man, we need more. We feel like them for the more father songs, man.
Bear in mind, I love my father and I'm rape my father, but I just don't want to be like my father.
Yeah, not exactly like.
No.
You know?
Me know me have traits. You know, me can't help but walk like my father.
Yeah.
And them thing there. But me want to be like him? No.
You know what? I feel like we always want to be better than our parents.
My father too forgetful. my father is supposed to call me 8 o'clock today. I know him not call me.
He never said AM.
Watch, he might call me, you know. I answer the phone and he might stay so. Alton Dean. Got him.
Got me.
Because we know I expect something else, you know.
Yeah.
We know I expect something. We know I expect something else, you know.
Yeah. Comments. It wouldn't that one then.
Me catch, you know. Me feel like me catch everybody.
Yeah, you did. I thought you was going to say, oh, but didn't call you this morning, no.
Exactly.
Judge.
But me I tell you, dog, back in them days, you see the parent songs, mother and father. For some reason, though, me not feel like the granny them did get no like love song.
No, not really. No, granny don't get no love song.
Oh, granny don't get no love song.
Granny don't get no.
I need to change that.
Yeah. You need big up the granny tune.
The grannies need love songs.
Yeah, because sometime at the granny.
What do you mean sometime?
Enough time at the granny.
What if most time at the granny?
You see me? So,
I believe at the mother, then the granny.
Yeah. I mean, usually.
You're more likely to live with your granny than your father at Jamaica.
Yeah, absolutely. But that's why I feel like the granny them forget will leap forward.
Yeah, the granny them need a granny song.
Yeah. Cause enough time when we say mama you're alone.
I really grandma
the most of the is because mama still have to do what she do.
When I listen to the acting, I just grandma me I think about.
Yeah. I just, I don't know. We even change that.
Mama don't.
One time we used to have a formula for songs though. We used to know say, all right, you have to have a summer song, you have to have a mama song, you have to have a girl song.
You have to have a happy song.
You have to have a happy song, like a party.
Happy. And then you have to have a deep song.
Yeah, you have to have the reality song that we love call them, where, you know.
Yeah, and then you have to have a Stop the Violence song. The same man, you know.
The same man who I tell you,
The same man have all of them songs. Stop the violence, but we'll kill a boy around the road.
man. Like, and we have the baddest bad man song.
The baddest.
Yeah, man. Baddest bad man, yo. Not say 40 because
I have to have the breakup song too.
Yeah, you have to have the Gala Wicked song.
Brother, that was one of the hardest songs to listen to. Like, we never did expect it. You see when Bounty Killer make that one, the way him say, my eyes can see more clear.
Brother.
As long as you're standing there.
Feels like I'm in a dream.
Because it's so good too, you know.
The first time I heard it, I was like, yo, who is this? I say, yo, Bounty that, you know.
Yo, Bounty sing it. Yo, the man sing that song, they're upset.
Yo.
It's okay. It's all right.
Bro, when I heard that song, I was like, yo, my girl, you
Champagne and candlelight.
My girl, you need to work it out with the Wildlard, you know, because I don't know.
Yeah, because right now, Wildlard gets soft.
Yeah, but even like, oh, you have killer look right now.
Because me even like the song too. I love the song.
Love the song. It's one of my favorite songs on the rhythm.
You know, that's like a night song. When me hear that, me know somebody dead.
Really?
Yeah. When that I play, that is a whole night setup, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me can tell
That
you,
whole rhythm.
this is the 9-night formula in Jamaica. Let me explain exactly how 9 nights work. See, when I reach
Yeah.
early part of the 9-night, I like the old dead song them. The whole one them.
Yeah.
You see when you start reach the end part, you see when you hear all the we used to roll together, jump home together, smoke home together, and I call him my brother. You never know I wouldn't see you. No, you know what I'm saying? Because 9-night used to keep where me live every Friday.
Regular.
Dead. No, I swear to you. I ask anybody. Anybody who know me, I used to live at Pembroke and say Friday night.
A 9-night.
Friday night or 9-night. That's why we never used to cook for a Friday, really. Friday we walk around at the dead yard. Every Friday.
Yo, that dark still.
Every Friday was a 9-night.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we go. I never know I wouldn't. I see after that one day we hear the bogle. If you blame life, you blame who give it. And you see we hear, say a prayer for the ones that were part.
Yeah, man.
You are worried about your virgin. Well, you put him there, heaven and wait. You know, say no. Everybody reach now.
Yeah, man.
Him say, but I go meet just in the all white. No, you miss your friend with that.
You miss your friend.
Bear in mind, you know, me only link him 2 times.
I don't really a bridging that
Me
still,
and him play ball 2 times, but
Yeah.
him dead. I mean, I got him 9-night.
Yeah, you know him as Squitty. You don't really know him.
You don't know him fully.
I Paul him the name?
But my daddy do a part. I mean, I slap the curry goat. Same way.
The curry goat, extra nice.
I'm telling you, there's a time now when everybody, you see, I'm telling you, when a time for everybody cry. Because me not care which man
there's a ball in
I'm telling you, when you
section.
have a ball. When you have a ball, you see when you hear the part where say, when the preacher pray over your body that day. Brother, all if me not know him.
Jaja.
Me a cry now.
Yeah, man. Jano, dog.
Brother, that's how they come out when middle of a bridging, we're dead. We carry him off a bicycle, Jimmy. When Jimmy dead, that's how they just come out. So me know me lose a friend, brother. Tears, right? I know. Me I remember all of my friends them were dead.
Ja.
When lose a friend, brother,
Yeah.
I have to in them bag with them staple, you know.
Bro.
When the preacher pray,
There was a time I acted and couldn't really miss still, you know. There was a time I want to say, you see like that 2011.
Lose a friend and making another time there? Mama, you alone, lose a friend. I feel like that was like the same.
Yeah, I feel like that was around the same time. When them sang that, I said them sang there like...
I say from 2010 to like 12.
2010 to like 12, 13-ish. I feel like by 13, it kind of start go up on the decline-ish. But...
What him do? Never do that, you know. Don't, hey. I make sure some defend it, you know. My brother I try to say they go up on the decline. They never go up on that. Me know them man not go up on that. So don't do that. Don't do that. I don't know where you go up on it now. But acting now do that. Acting now do that.
Right.
But you say lose a friend?
Right.
Dog, you say lose a friend, my youth.
Yeah.
When the man says, brother, you see the part when the dog say, when the preacher pray, me don't know when did that, me don't know what. Brother, I don't know what did that go through your mind. When that song there, when did that sit? That song there come from pain.
Yeah. They clearly lose a friend.
You see, lose a friend come from pain.
Yeah, man.
Brother, when lose a friend come out, me want one friend dead.
Just so you can say.
So me can listen to that.
John, no, yeah, man.
You see that bugle one day when him said, dress in the all white.
Bugle.
You see that? I wonder if I did song, you know, you have, you know which one more while make me all shed that one tear?
Which one?
You see when the dog say, especially, you see because where me come from, you see when you hear, I know me no know where them kill you for. Yeah, I said, John, no. Me no know where them kill you for.
John, no.
It hurt me so much to see you gone. You never live to see your youth born. And them son they come out when me have brethren we're dead without picnic. I mean, I said, John, no.
Hurtful,
we
bro.
are going to see it some. Me not feel like them song there.
Them not do that again. Them not.
Brother, when I think Alkaline did have one, you know.
Which one?
Alkaline never have one, man. When he must say, For the hell, Alkaline did have one, man.
Alkaline have a tough one for real. Where we go?
If you remember the rhythm, you remember the Alkaline one? See, we don't.
I don't know why ocean waves are popping in my mind.
Ocean waves, that's crazy. That's a full happiness.
No, that's happiness.
No, man, not that, man. Let me tell you the Alkaline one. Because we now go left. And I mentioned the Alkaline one. Because the Alkaline one did bad too. So, damn. Brother, oh, me forget this. But now stop, you know. Got big up on one. And not even that too, but that's one of them. Big up all that one friend them we pass away. Gone away, yeah. That was a bad one too. Gone away was a bad one too.
Gone away the tough. That wasn't the one though. That wasn't the one. I feel like we need more of them songs though. Nowadays it's like the man them even rate them.
All.
No, the man them even rate them bridging like one time, you know. if you're meant to sit in a dog. What them don't rate them bridging like one time?
We don't really have no camaraderie song.
Bro, that nah.
We don't have a friendship song. When all of my brother them. Brother, me remember when I was in college.
Yeah.
You see when After All come on?
Cheese and peace, man. If me nav no
because
dog.
we're lying, you know. Because we're lying.
Yeah, absolutely.
Me clearly remember, like, me have a couple dog who would have dead for me. I mean, I look around, I mean, I say, me not dead.
That.
Me see one of them look for me. I mean, I say, dog, me not dead for you, know.
Well, not dead for you.
But you say, right, yes or no?
But not dead for you, I know say you're not dead for me.
But right now,
in this moment,
we wait for a call, because for life will lean up on a wall.
Yeah, man.
And Mark here. And first of all, how we used to do it at UWI, when After All come on, you see that's the part where say, after all,
yeah.
the DJ stop the music.
And
we sing it.
Like we just wait for the car.
For life, real for the wall. And Mark here, drive up, pull up, 5 foot, boys, like same damn, yeah, then I road like dog. Yeah, we are hard. This is from brother, you must have mad, that's a good one, I'm mad. Who we are like, who we are, why you play the music now.
Bridge. Yeah, we have couple.
I swear.
Yeah, man. Yeah, fully. Nah, dead for none of them, you know.
But that, these are night specific songs. People, when people dead, me feel like you get the most. I think Black Rhino did have a dead one too, you know. Black Rhino. Most man have a dead one, you know.
Most of them, especially them time there.
No man, no dead song again, dog. Find the Black Rhino dead song. Yeah, man, good.
No, why me I think about that.
Type in Black Rhino on my phone a while ago and it said, ball out. If you name a song, ball out, crazy.
I don't know why the only one I'm thinking is Dalakai.
Yo. But yo, hear what though?
Yeah.
The episode is long.
Long episode for real.
Yeah, so hear what? We are going to continue this one at a time.
Yes.
But
comments.
people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and join in the reason. Comment your feelings and them things, man. Because we're about.
You see me?
So hear what? We're out of here.
Out of here.
Boom, bam. Skilly bing bang. Out.